Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. Marie Curie. Marie Curie, born Maria Sklodowska on November 7, 1867, in Warsaw, Poland, was a pioneering scientist whose groundbreaking research into radioactivity revolutionized the world of physics and chemistry. Her remarkable achievements continue to inspire generations of scientists and women worldwide. Marie was the youngest of 5 children born to a family of educators. Despite living under the harsh Russian occupation of Poland, which severely limited educational opportunities for women, she excelled academically. Determined to continue her education, she moved to Paris in 1891 and enrolled at the University of Paris, Sorbonne, where she pursued studies in physics and mathematics. Her exceptional academic performance set her apart, but she often struggled financially, living in modest conditions while immersing herself in her studies. In 1894, Marie met Pierre Curie, a fellow physicist. Their mutual respect and shared passion for science blossomed into both a professional collaboration and a personal relationship. They married in 1895, forming one of the most famous scientific partnerships in history. In 1898, the Curies announced the discovery of 2 new elements, polonium, named after Marie's homeland, and radium. Their research revealed that these elements emitted powerful, invisible rays that came to be known as radioactivity, a term coined by Marie. This discovery had far-reaching implications in both theoretical science and practical applications, particularly in medicine. In 1903, Marie and Pierre, along with Henri Becquerel, were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for their work on radioactivity. This made Marie Curie the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, an achievement that shattered gender barriers in the male-dominated scientific community. Tragedy struck in 1906 when Pierre Curie died in a tragic accident. Despite her profound grief, Marie continued their work, taking over Pierre's academic position at the Sorbonne, where she became the first woman to teach at the prestigious institution. In 1911, Marie Curie made history once again, becoming the first person, man or woman, to win a second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her discovery of radium and polonium and further research into the properties of radioactive elements. This remarkable achievement cemented her legacy as one of the greatest scientists of all time. Marie Curie's work extended beyond theoretical research. During World War I, she recognized the potential for using X-rays to treat wounded soldiers. She developed mobile radiography units, later known as Little Curies, to assist doctors on the battlefield, saving countless lives. She personally trained radiographers and drove mobile X-ray units herself, showing her deep sense of duty to humanity. Marie Curie's relentless pursuit of knowledge, in the face of immense personal and professional challenges, changed the landscape of science forever. Her research laid the foundation for the development of X-rays in surgery and cancer treatment, and her discoveries opened new frontiers in atomic science. She passed away on July 4, 1934, from aplastic anemia, a condition likely caused by prolonged exposure to high levels of radiation during her research. Despite her tragic end, Marie Curie's legacy lives on through the profound impact she had on science, society, and the role of women in academia. Marie Curie's life exemplifies the power of perseverance, curiosity, and intellect. She was a woman who defied societal norms and transformed the scientific world, all while holding steadfast to the belief that understanding the world would lead to greater progress for all of humanity. Through her achievements, she remains a timeless symbol of intellectual brilliance and human courage.